That's my county.
Northern Campbell County, Boone County,
That's my
Central
county.
Gallatin County, Hamilton County, Southwestern Butler County, Northwestern Claremont County, until 4:50
That is a lot of
p.m.
counties. Wow.
At 3:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Rising Sun, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cincinnati, Hamilton, Fairfield, Covington, Florence, Independence, Norwood, Forest Park, Erlanger, Fort Thomas, Newport, Sharonville, Blue Ash, Springdale, Reading, Montgomery, Harrison, North College Hill, Madera, and Edgewood. This includes the following interstates: I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 0 and 18. I-74 in Indiana between mile markers 165 and 171. I-74 in Ohio between mile markers 0 and 19. I-75 in Kentucky between mile markers 174 and 191. I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 0 and 20.